So welcome to another episode. Today we are going to look at switch statements in Java. What are switch statements in Java? So switch statements are simply an alternative of writing if else. So if you have many options and you want to avoid writing if else multiple times, you can use switch statements instead. So if you have a variable like n and you want to assign days of the number, let me say you want to output each and every day, each and every number here that is given, you want to give it a day of the week. You can begin like this is Monday. I can change this to one meaning Monday. So for the start, you can do something like this. You can duplicate this, yeah, name this Tuesday, Tuesday, and name this Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 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 Friday, then Saturday, Saturday, and then lastly, it can be Sunday. It can be Sunday. So you can print out this. You can come and write this manual. But what if I want all these values to change according to this number? So let me try to compile this and we see the outcome. Compile demo Java. You will see that all our days of the week are being printed out. So here, an alternative, if I want to assign each day a number, I'll use an if else. So I'll come if a number, this one here, is equal to 1, print out Monday. Here, you print out this. Else if a number is equal to 2, print out Tuesday. I can do something like this. Else if number is equal to 3, I can print out Wednesday. Else if number is equal to 4, I can print out this. So you can do this multiple times. So this is when you are using else if. Yeah, example of using else if. So else if number is equal to 6, you can print out. Then lastly, you can use an else print out as Sunday. Else if number is equal to 7 and print out Sunday. Else if the user fails to insert, or I can leave the else part. So you can do something like this. So let us compare and see. You can assign values basing on else if statements. So when you compile, you see that Monday is the outcome. Yeah, this is Monday. So when you change this to like 4 or 5 and you try to compile, you see that this is Friday, because Friday is the 5th day. So you can try to do something like this. But what if this is too long? Yeah, I'm saying this is too long. So rewrite this. So in switch, I'll say switch. You can use the switch keyword, switch. Then it takes in the number you want to apply your condition, or the number you want to base on you open brackets. So it takes in the case. So in switch statements, the only thing that you have to understand is that we are comparing the case and the number that you have passed into your switch statement. So in this case, our case is 1. Then you put these columns. So what does this mean? Case, this case, we are comparing your case and the number here. So the switch statements, the switch statement we look at is this case, the one you inserted here, the same as the one that you are passing here up, and it will execute just like the this part here. So I can copy these all these, put them here down. Yeah, I can remove this. So what is changing in this case? Only we are only changing the case, so we don't need this. So this becomes case. I will change all. This becomes case, and these colonies they become let me they become our new cases now. Change this menu. I can change this menu. Change this menu. So I can save and you see it in a nice way. So you can see that I have reduced the number of code that I was writing. So what the switch statement is doing, if I pass here a number, it will go on looking for each and every, comparing each and every case that you inserted here, comparing it to your number. So if it finds that your number is equal to 1, it will execute this. If it finds that your number is equal to 2, to execute this. So that's simply how to use the switch. So let us run and we see. Let me put here like 7. Run. You can see that this is Sunday. Oh, I didn't remove this down. Let me remove this. We don't need. So let me compile again. Uh, compile. You can see that this is Sunday. Our case. It went on and checking and didn't find case NS7 somewhere. So it found it down here. So it outputted this. So that's how we use this switch statements. But there is something interesting you need to know about the switch statements. So let me change this to 3, and let me compile. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hey, it's not working. You can see that it has printed out all values for other cases. You can see here that the number is 3. It has printed out from Wednesday, which is Wednesday here, from 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, which is not the case that we want. So the issue is that after printing out, after checking and finding 3, you are not telling it to stop. You are just leaving it to go on to the rest of the numbers. So you have to tell the condition to stop. The moment it finds a condition which fits our case, it has to stop. So we use a break keyword. A break keyword. Use a break keyword. After a case, you use a break keyword. So what will this do? After finding a number, like let me say here, you inserted 1, and it finds your number to be like case 1, it will automatically break. It won't look at other numbers down. It will automatically break. At the moment it finds the case matching, it will automatically break. So I'll insert everywhere to these cases, uh, cases, cases. Yeah, I can also insert that one. So let me compile again. Let me put here like 3 again. We see what is going to happen. Compile. Thursday. Did we put a break on Thursday? Let me see. Thursday. No, we didn't put a break on Wednesday. Sorry. So let us compile again. You can see that it is still breaking. It's not breaking when you don't put a break somewhere. So let us compile again. You can see this is Wednesday. It has automatically braked the moment it found the actual number. So that's how we use switch statements. But what if someone inserts a number beyond your cases? Remember, we are having like 7 cases here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But what if here I'm having like 18? So in the if else, we have the else part. So even in the switch statements, we have what we call the default. So you can insert your default. So I can copy this. I can reuse, not copying. Copying is a bad word. So I can, if the user doesn't, if the user inserts a number which is not a part of our cases, I can show him the default value in this case. So in this case, I can tell the user, please insert a valid a valid number. Please insert a valid number. And first make this right. Please insert a valid number. So let me compile this and we see. Compile. You will see that please insert a valid number, because in our number, the one that we are checking, or the one that we passed through our switch statement, it is not having 18. All these ones are less than 18, so the default part will be the one running. So that's how you can use switch statements. Switch statements are just an alternative to the if-else statements. You write lesser code and clean code. So that's it for today. Thank you.